USANA creates high-quality nutritional products built on one simple idea: if you feed the cells in your body exactly what they need, your health will benefit. This concept fuels our endless drive to innovate and advance the science of nutrition, putting a healthy, happy life within reach for all. I recognized many years ago that optimal cellular nutrition is key to maintaining long-term health. Since that time, I have made it my life's mission to help people live healthy lives through scientific research, advanced nutritional products, cutting-edge medical facilities, and progressive humanitarian work. I believe, with the help of exceptional nutrition, people can live healthy and more rewarding lives. Myron Wentz, PhD, visionary, scientist, philanthropist, and entrepreneur.